Hey everyone, this is Monique Macklin over at CreditLady.com, and I just wanted to come to you today really quickly. What we're doing currently is for all new clients who come onto CreditLady.com and they register, what we're doing is giving you a free Credit Excellence t-shirt simply as a thank you. But I also wanted to let you know that when you register as a credit restoration client on CreditLady.com, you are also contributing to the cause of helping homeless single mothers regain their footing in the world. So what we're doing is we are teaching them about credit basics. We're teaching them about financial responsibility and allowing them and positioning them to be able to be fruitful and to make wise decisions moving forward for their benefit and for the benefit of their children as they move forward in this world. When it comes to credit and just financial wellness, it is our responsibility to teach others. And in order for us to do that, it's going to take some resources. So our goal this year is to be able to help anywhere from 50 to 100 single moms who find themselves in a position where they're homeless, so that we can help them learn about credit. We can help them make wise financial decisions so that they can go about their lives and help themselves and also help their children. But we also want to be able to position them to teach their children the right way to do things. Many of us have found ourselves in bad financial situations because in our households and in our educational system, we were not taught how to properly manage money and to properly manage our credit. So what we want to do is, again, we want to give these women the tools that they will need in order to move forward and to prosper, so that they can now start to secure apartments, they can start to save, they can save for their own home, they can buy cars, they can get credit, things that they're looking to do, start businesses, whatever their goals are, we want to help them. So once again, go over to CreditLady.com so that you can begin your free consultation to learn what it's going to take for you to begin your journey towards building credit excellence. And remember, should you decide to become a client, you'll be helping yourself and blessing others in the process. Once again, this is Monique Macklin over at CreditLady.com, and I want to thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful and a very blessed and prosperous day. Take care.